Beloved counselors here present today, I'd like to acknowledge Counselor Jojo Roble. We also have Counselor Roland Perez. We have also
Vizcaino.
We have also our beloved SB President Paul Vizcaino, Honorable Paul Vizcaino. We have also our very own Councilor Honorable Ram Duterte. We also have our beloved ORC for Investments and Promotions Office, our very own Honorable Red Durano. We'd also like to acknowledge the arrival of our very own Mayor and Vice Mayor of the City of Danao. Please help me welcome with a round of applause Mayor Ramon Nito Durano III and Vice Mayor Ivy Durano.
Deputy Mayor here from Davao, Ma'am Maricar, the CEO, Vice Mayor Vice, good morning. Ma'am Maricar, and this is Milo Cheng of Delta.
We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our very own Honorable Tangging Arias, and of course Honorable Dax Banzon. We have also our former Councilor Duke Duterte over here, so joining us today, this morning. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, we'd like to invite everybody to please stand for the invocation, the Philippine National Anthem, and the Danao City Hymn. For the City of Danao, CET Technologies, and Delta. Once again, please settle down for the invocation, the Philippine National Anthem, and the Danao City Hymn.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Sa langit ang walang kahirap ang pagkakaw.
you very much. Please settle down and sit down. Thank you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Maayong buntag sa tanan. It's a very, very wonderful weather, no? Compared to kaninang how many hours. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you and welcome to our event this morning. For how many years since the 1950s, ang mga Duranos po, I actually, just for the purpose of mga ating mga friends from Manila who's coming here, the senior, Ramon Durano Sr. has been a trailblazer in terms of technological advancement. So the first ice plant, the first sugar mill factory happened here in the province because of Danao City, because of Mano Amon. I think this morning, it is quite fitting for us to give a round of applause for Ramon Durano Sr. He is the reason and our motivation, of course, with our leaders, Mayor Nito, who inspires us to always break our barriers and really explore. And of course, our Ma'am Ivy, who's actually inspiring us to teamwork and collaborate. We are here right now and studying the new evolution of technology, the new era of electronic vehicle. I'd like to acknowledge the guests and of course our audience is here today, ladies and gentlemen, starting with, please a round of applause for our beloved City Mayor, Mayor Ramon Nito Durano III. Good morning, Mayor. Our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Ivy Durano. Good morning, ma'am. Of course, we have our City Councilors. I'll have them one by one. Honorable Roland Perez is also here. Good morning. Honorable Panging Arias is also here. Good morning, sir. We also have Sir Honorable Dax Banzon. Good morning, Honorable. We have also Honorable Ram Duterte. And we also have Honorable Jojo Roble. And of course, we have also our OIC, our Investment Promotions Officer, Honorable Brad Durano, also here with us. Former Councilor Duke Duterte, our ICT consultant, is also here. We also have our Honorable Paul Vizcaino. Good morning, sir. And for our partners, we have here from straight from Davao, no? Diretso po dito sa atin. We have the CEO, CETI or CET Technologies Incorporated, led to us by the Chutena couple, Maricar Chutena and Sir Arwin Chutena. Good morning, ma'am. We also have from Delta here, we have a couple of people from Manila who's actually here as well with us. And of course, we have our resource speaker later on, Sir Milo Chang. Good morning, sir. We also have our engineers from CATTI and of course our engineers from Delta. We also have our family who supports Danao City all the way through our evolution. We have our family from Chikas, Sir Nolly Buhawe, Deandra Uwe, and Mama Engineer Guhadia. Good morning. And we also have our family from Converge, Philippines. We have Sir Mark Rabadon also here. Good morning, sir. All right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome us to this momentous event, please help me welcome our very own proactive Vice Mayor Ivy Durano.
Sa akong hinahod, amahan sa siyudad sa Danao, Mayor Nito Durano, sa akong mga kauban sa buhat sa konseho sa siyudad sa Danao, fellow public servants, to our private sector's partners, fellow Danawanons, masidlakon o mapahiyong adlaw kaninyong tanan. We are gathered today for a very important step. A step forward as we explore the establishment of EV charging stations in Danao City. A move that reflects our commitment to sustainable development, climate responsibility, and future-ready infrastructure. This initiative is more than a transport project. It is a statement of direction. A direction where Danao City supports cleaner mobility, encourages green investments, and prepares our community for the global shift to forward electric vehicles. As we discuss possibilities, partnerships, technical requirements, and site considerations, we do so with one shared goal: to build a city that grows responsibly, balancing progress with environmental care. Your presence today from our technical experts, our planners, private partners, and stakeholders is vital. Innovation happens through collaboration, and today's exploration lays the groundwork for a smarter, more sustainable transport ecosystem for our people. Together, let us drive this vision forward. Welcome and thank you for being part of the Now City's journey towards sustainable transport. Daghang salamat ug may butang isa.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Ivy Durano. And of course, it's inspiring for us, no, to note that the Now City is indeed moving forward and moving forward fast. In terms of fast, in behalf of our CEO, CATTI, we'd like to invite Sir Jojo Siano to give us a message from CATTI. A round of applause, please, Sir Jojo Siano.
May hapon sa tanan. Pleasant morning. But this is a blessing, we experience. To our Honorable City Mayor, Honorable Nito Durano, to our Vice Mayor, Honorable Ivy Durano, to the members of the Sangguniang Panlusod, department heads, distinguished guests, public and private sectors, friends in the industry, colleagues and fellow advocates in sustainable progress, mayong hapon kanatong tanan. It is my honor to represent CET Technologies Incorporated on this meaningful occasion as we inaugurate the electric vehicle charging station initiative with the Now City government here at the Boardwalk. Daghang salamat sa inyong presensya despite sa panahon. Your presence signifies the importance of this milestone not only for the Now City but for the entire province of Cebu as we continue moving forward to a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future. Today's unveiling is more than just introduction of a new facility. It is a symbol of partnership, shared vision, and collective responsibility. A clear example of what we can accomplish when local government and private sector work together hand in hand to benefit the people. Kining proyekto usa ka tin-aw nga ehemplo sa pagtinabangay alang sa kaayuhan sa katawhan. Okay. Sa wala na kaila sa CET Technologies Incorporated, we are an end-to-end IT solutions provider. We specialize in delivering innovative digital solutions, system integration services, and IT consulting, empowering organizations in their journey towards seamless and sustainable digital transformation. We are based in Davao, but there is a Cebu. Our office is located in Cebu Business Park, sa Luz, Barangay Luz. With me today are our leadership team from CETTI, headed by our CEO, Ms. Maricar Sutena, and here's our Chief Information Officer, the other half, Sir Erwin Sutena, and also our Director for Engineering, si Sir Davis. Sir Davis Kalaysa. Full force and CDT because for us this is also a significant milestone we can impart with the Now City LGU. CATTI is also one of the premier partner of Delta Electronics, the brand manufacturer of our EV chargers, which I think later on we introduce pa sa inyo. Over the years, we have supported institutions and communities as they embrace modern technologies to improve services, strengthen capabilities, and prepare the demands of rapidly evolving digital landscape. This EV charging station initiative reflects the same mission. It brings together technology, sustainability, and long-term planning, ensuring the progress is not just immediate, but future-ready. Okay. Pasensya ha. Hindi ko masaya ko ng gamay na lang. Okay. In CET, we want to emphasize our commitment. We stand ready to support LGUs across Cebu, especially here in Danao City, with reliable, practical, and scalable like EV charging station that we are unveiling today. We aim to be a long-term partner, one that listens to each community needs, aligns with LGU priorities, and implement solutions that truly makes an impact. To our leaders, partners, and stakeholders, daghang salamat sa pagsalig o pagsuporta. To our City ICT Officer, Sir J.D. Roble, thank you kaayo, our young dynamic leader from Danao. Thank you kaayo sa trust. Thank you. Salamat kaayo sa pagsalig no sa CET, and I'd like to inject to greet him a happy birthday. A happy birthday. Right. As we unveil today the EV charging station, we hope to inspire this initiative, and hopefully we can bring this to more cities and municipalities in the province. And this is just a start for that initiative. So again, daghang kayong salamat. May hapon. May buto.
Thank you very much, Sir Joseph Shannon, General Manager for CETTI Cebu, Philippines. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to tell us about the technology itself, Delta Worldwide, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, we have here our very own from Delta, representing Delta, Sir Milo Seng. Good morning.
Okay, magandang umaga. Sa inyong lahat, my name is Milo. It's actually a very good morning with all of you. Mayor Lito Durano III, Vice Mayor as well, Ivy Durano, and also distinguished guests, city officials, Sir JV of course, happy birthday as well, and then the people of Danao City. It's actually a privilege for me to stand here representing Delta and the whole world here. Nice to meet you here. We often speak about the future of transportation and as a distant goal, but today we are witnessing this. Right? Under the leadership of this administration of Sir Durano, it is clear that in Danao, the future has officially arrived with this EV charging station initiative. At Delta Electronics, our mission is to provide innovative, clean and energy efficient solutions for a better tomorrow. Mayor Durano, your view and your commitment to the environment and also the stewardship of diesel production mirrors Delta's core value. We believe that progress is not only true progress if it preserves the world for the next generation. Today, we are not just inaugurating a piece of equipment here. We are witnessing Danao City take the driver's seat in the national shift towards sustainability. The theme of today is exploration, but actually this project represents a very concrete milestone for Danao City. Delta is proud to be providing our AC Max EV chargers for this station to the residents and the drivers of Danao City. This is one of the 3 million pieces we deliver worldwide already. AC Max is a high efficiency marathon runner. It is compact, incredibly reliable, and also designed to get you back on the road quickly. Delta has spent years supporting the world's largest technology companies in the technology regarding electrification and AI infrastructure. We are now bringing that same industrial-grade expertise to Danao City, all of you, ensuring that your transportation is green, energy is actually backed by a world-class, dependable technology. This inauguration is one piece of a much larger puzzle. As we look at the trends for the next 10 to 20 years in the Philippines, the shift towards electrification and smart infrastructure is inevitable. By installing this unit, we are so happy that we are able to move towards Danao City into the sustainable future. Let's just plug into sustainability with you together. Thank you so much for your attendance today.
Sir Milo Cheng, thank you very much, sir. And of course, sustainability is always the key. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give a response to the message of Sir Milo, please help me welcome our very own OIC for the Investment Promotions Office, Honorable Red Durano.
I'll make this quick to the ampo na pag-uwan. To Mayor Benito D. Durano III, Vice Mayor I.D. Durano, members of the City Council, our guests from CEP Technologies and Delta Electronics Philippines, mayong buntag kanatong tanan. Today we mark another milestone for Danao City as we inaugurate Delta Electronics and CEP Technologies EV charging station, an important step towards sustainable, future-ready transport. We thank Delta Electronics Philippines for partnering with the City Government of Danao in advancing green mobility. This collaboration is another meaningful milestone for Danao City as it positions itself as a pioneer in EV infrastructure in Northern City. This project supports cleaner transportation, improves EV accessibility for commuters and motorists, and aligns with our environmental and development goals. More importantly, it serves as a pilot initiative that can be expanded to other municipalities in Northern Cebu and the rest of the province. As EV adoption grows, investments like this ensure that Danao City is prepared to lead by innovation, by compliance, and by example. Thank you to Delta Electronics Philippines and CEP Technologies. Together, we are driving a more sustainable future for Danao City. Maayong buntag ug daghang salamat.
Daghang salamat, Honorable Red Durano. Thank you so much, Gong. And now, of course, to hear a response message for everything that has been said this morning, please have me welcome with a round of applause our very own Mayor, Ramon Nito Durano III.
To our City Vice Mayor, I.D. Durano, City Councilors and Department Heads, to Mr. J.G. Roble, Head of the City Information and Communications Technology Office, to Mr. Red Durano, former Congressman, and Danao's Advocate for Investment and Promotions, to Ms. Maricar Chutena, Chief Executive Officer of CET Technologies Incorporated, Mr. Jojo Ciano, General Manager for Business of CET Technologies, Mr. Teng Cheng, Business Director and Partner Alliances of Delta, friends from the private sector from BYD, GCash, and Converge, fellow Danawanons, masidlakon, ug mapahiyomong adlaw kanatong tanan. Thank you to our friends from CET Technologies Incorporated at Delta for choosing Danao City as one of your sites for the EV charging station. This initiative supports our vision for modern, resilient, and environmentally responsible cities. By investing in electronic vehicle infrastructure today, we are positioning our city to contribute to long-term economic growth, energy efficiency, and improved quality of life for the people of Danao. This is a welcome development in making Danao truly the gateway of opportunities. This is us walking the talk and taking a step forward towards green mobility and making good for promise to become a smart city.
ecological protection should not be a slogan. It should be a matter of policy. Daghang salamat o masigla kong buntag kanatong tanan.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor Ramon Nito Durano III. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived into a close of course, our program. We'd like to invite Mayor Nito, Vice Mayor Ivy, along with our CTTI executives, as well as our Delta executives and our friends from Converge, GCash, to please move to our ribbon cutting for a ceremonial opening of our research and development study with CTTI and Delta towards exploration of the Now City EV charging station. We'd also like to acknowledge our friends from BYD. We'd like to again request our friends from CTTI, Delta, our LGU councilors to please join us here in front for the inaugural start of our exploration for the EV charging station. We'd also like to invite our friends from CTTI and Delta to please join our Honorable Mayor and Honorable Vice Mayor here in front. And of course, our friends from BYD, GCash, and Converge to also join us here. Sir, I'd like to request Sir Red, and the councilors to join us here in front. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the start for the Now Cities exploration, driving sustainable transport. Please join.
Sorry.
Sir Red, okay, over there. Okay, there. We have councilors, city councilors also joining here with us. The first ribbon, we have the white ribbon for the AC power, and we also have our blue ribbon. So in 4, 3, everybody, 2, 1! Congratulations! And another for the DC power charging station. Move lang tayo sa right side. Okay, over here. So we have here still Mayor Nito, Vice Mayor Ivy. We have Ma'am Maricar Chitana, Sir Milo Chang, and Sir Ray, also Delta, and Sir Red Durano, and our city councilors here. All right. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for CET Technologies Incorporated and, of course, Delta Philippines for the start of driving sustainable transport. Being out diretso na tayo, sa ato ang snacks. We have snacks available for everybody. Oo. So, proceed na po tayo here. And then, of course, our tables at the right over there at the back. So, photo op kay BYD. Mayor and Vice Mayor would like to invite you to try and how to insert the chargers with our BYD staff over here. Ayan, itatry po natin na i-insert yung ating coupling, no? Or si Mayor yung magtatry ng ano, and then Vice Mayor. So itatry na i-insert, no? Yung ating charging port. Ayan, there you go, there you have it, folks. A round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen, for Mayor Nito, Vice Mayor Ivy, and our councilors. That's how easy it is to charge our EV vehicles. Ayan na po. At this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite everybody for snacks. We have also our experts, our engineers here. If you have any questions with the chargers over here, they do have the answers. Huwag niyo muna akong tanongin kasi di ba ako naggawa ng assignment ko. Alright, so this is the exploration. Photo up for everybody, Delta, CTTI. Okay lang po sana with our Mayor and Vice Mayor. Photo up. And forward natin si Sir Albert. Sir, can we forward the BYD so that we have a very good scope? Thank you so much, Sir Albert Gambiaza, ladies and gentlemen of BYD. Alright, forward po natin. So a whole big picture with Mayor Nito, Vice Mayor Ivy, and our councilors with our CETTI and Delta. Iuurog lang natin yung EMAX 7. We can also test drive our BYDs today. Ha? So, kung mga gusto mo test drive, ay lang ibangga. Alright. And of course, ano na natin si Gcash, ma'am? Gcash conversion, BYD. Sir, Malbert, please, isang buong picture na tayo lahat. Yeah. So, please join. Please join. Yan, test drive. Okay, absolutely. Yan po, isang buong family pictures. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga partners sa Asian Technology, CET Technologies. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Maricar Chitena, Sir Erwin, and our very own staffs and engineers, Sir Darwin, and of course our Delta Philippines, our counselors, as well as our family from Gcash and Converge. Nandito po sila para mag-let's vote in para sa ating driving sustainable transport.